Reading daily significantly improves your vocabulary and language skills. It strengthens your brain, boosting cognitive functions like memory and focus. Engaging with stories expands your imagination and helps you think creatively. Daily reading can reduce stress, offering a peaceful escape from daily pressures. You gain new perspectives and knowledge about different cultures and ideas. This habit also enhances your empathy by understanding diverse characters and experiences. Consistent reading builds better concentration and attention span over time. Make reading a part of your everyday routine for a truly enriched life.